it's Amia Renee. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show y'all how I achieve these, I don't know if I'm going to call them jumbo kinky twists. I don't know, but these jumbo twists in my hair. So first I'm going to tell you the products that I use, but if you don't want to see this section, I'll leave a timestamp right here so you can jump to the installment. The first product you're going to have is the hair. So I want to thank Janet Collection for collaborating with me on this tutorial. So they provided me with their Afro Nyla Tress hair. So this is 2x Afro Dream Twist and the color 1B, and it's 18 inches. Very, very pretty. And the pack is like 2 bundles of hair. And as you'll see, I'm going to show you, I used 2 pieces of hair for each twist. I'll show you as I'm doing the hair. And I forgot how many packs I used, so I'll just put the pack, the number of packs up here somewhere. I gotta go count them there in my trash. Also, you want to keep your hair moisturized under this protective hairstyle. So I use some Aunt Jackie's products. I use her Not Today and also her leave-in conditioner. For my edges, I use Edge Booster Edge Control. And as always, to seal my hairstyle, keep it in place, I use some mousse. Alright, so let's go ahead and jump into how I install these twists. So I use 2 pieces of hair for each twist. So I want to start by unraveling the piece of hair. So I start at the bottom to make it easier. Unravel both ends and then try to loosen the hair up. Since we're going to keep this hairstyle in for a couple weeks, you want to use some type of moisturizer in your hair. Use any brand of your choice. Again, I'm just using Aunt Jackie's products right now, just to keep my hair nice and moisturized while it's in this protective hairstyle. I'm going to try to explain this as best as I can, but just pay attention. So after I grab the 2 pieces of hair I already unraveled, I overlap it, and then I put one part of the section on one side of my hair, and the other part on the opposite end of my hair. I start to twist one section towards my face, mix with my hair and the Afro hair. Then I take the other section, mix with my hair and the Afro hair, and twist the opposite way. It's hard for me to explain, so just watch what I'm doing. So this clip is actually in real time, so I'm letting it play in real time so you guys can really see exactly what I'm doing. Try to explain it as best as I can, but you can see what I'm doing and you'll get the gist of it. I'll show you one more time exactly how to do this jumbo twist from start to finish with the next one.
I put it right there, made it easy for you to get to. Now you wanna act like you don't know what to do. After I done done everything that you asked me, grabbed you, grind you, like you, tried to move so fast, baby, now I can't find you. Ooh, I'm starting to believe that I'm way too much for you. All that talk, but it seems like it can't come through. All the lies that could satisfy me, now I see. I believe in you, got me, gave you the will, but you can't got me. Can you keep up, baby boy?
The Afro hair is kind of dry, so I wanted to put some moisturizer on the actual Afro hair as well. So that's what you see right now on my fingers. I'm just adding some of the moisturizer that I moisturized my natural hair with, putting that on the actual fake hair, Afro hair, and twisting it.
Is a partner that makes me only halfway and that's improve. Take me out so deep when you know you can't swim. Need a lifeguard and I need protection. So put it on me deep in the right direction. Ooh, you understand the facts that I'm trying to give to you. You're moving so slow like you just don't have a clue. Didn't this strong? Are you extra strong? You ain't really want none. You can't make me say, oh, like the way that this grows. You don't have no business in this. Here's your paper, so you are dismissed. That I wouldn't be without you, babe. Couldn't see me without you, babe. It's my love. And I wouldn't be without you, babe. Couldn't see me without you, baby. Boy, you fill me with so much joy. You give whatever it is.
I want the ends of my twist to be curly, so I'm adding a perm bra to the ends, and I'm going to dip them in some boiling hot water.
My love's here to stay, won't never leave. So glad that you fell in love with me. My love is so good that I wouldn't be without you, babe. Couldn't see me without you, babe. My love is so good that I wouldn't be without you, babe. Couldn't see me without you, baby. I've been searching for you every day. So glad that I found you, boy. I've been feeling for you every day. I'm so happy, baby. Boy, you got me feeling so good. You take all my pain away from me. Without you around, I couldn't be. And I know you fell in love with me. My love is so good that I wouldn't be without you, babe. Couldn't see me without you.
So this hairstyle only took me about 4 or 5 hours to do. Didn't take me that long at all. That's not long for me anyway. This hair is very, very lightweight. I had installed some jumbo twists a year or so ago with some different hair, and the hair was so heavy I had to take my hair out within like a week and a half because it was just too heavy. But with this Afro hair, it's really, really, really lightweight, and I like this type of hair because I feel like it matches my natural texture. So once the style gets older, like at my roots and everything, I think it's going to make it look even prettier and more natural. So I really do like this hair. I wanted a little extra oomph to my hair, so I added some gold string. I just got some gold string from the beauty supply store and added it on one of my twists. Look, wrong twist. And added on one of my twists. So that's all I did. Also, you can keep your hair straight if you want to. Just dip it in hot water. But I did apply some perm rods at the end of my hair to give it this little twisty, curly look. I really like this hairstyle. It's so freaking cute. Let me show y'all the back of my hair. I haven't seen the back yet. I'm quite sure if y'all been following me for a minute, you already know I part my own hair without a mirror. I just use my fingers as a guide. So don't go crazy on me if my part's a little crooked, okay?
That I wouldn't be without you, babe. Couldn't see me without you, baby. I've been searching for you every day.
This is a nice, lightweight, fun summer hairdo. It's not going to take long to install. I really love this hair. But do you like this hairstyle? Oh my gosh. I think this is going to be it. Hopefully I can keep this in for the rest of the summer. Knowing me, I probably won't because I'm forever changing my hairstyles. But this hairstyle is so freaking cute. I love it. My gosh. So tell me what you think down in the comments. Have you used Janet Collection's Afro twist before? Or any Afro twist? Have you tried jumbo? I guess you could say kinky twist, or however you want to call this hairstyle. If you have not, oh my gosh, you have to try it. I'm going to leave all the information to this hair down in the description box below if you want to go ahead and check it out. As always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Close up on my hair. Come on. It's so freaking cute, y'all.